What if you could see exactly where your customers are and where your next big sales opportunity is hiding? With MAPOG, you can visualize your customer coverage, uncover hidden opportunities, and make every sales effort count. Start by heading to story.mapog.com, create a new map. Add story template as category, provide title, description, and image for clarity. Go to Process Custom Location, select Add by uploading CSV. Now, go to Select Custom Location Template Settings and create a new custom location template. Select the feature as a point and add the necessary attributes like customer name, address, PIN code, etc. and save. Then, select this custom location template. Upload your Excel file and match it to your Excel columns along with coordinates. Then see your data come alive on the map. Next, style your customer points. Go to Add Style Layer and Style by Category. Choose the attribute you want to categorize on the basis of your choice of colors and icons and press Save Style. Further, you can customize your customer details by editing point details and adding images for clarity. Finally, once your map is complete, click Preview and Share. You can choose to keep your map private or share the link with your team. Don't just guess where your customers are. See it, plan it, and grow it with MAPOG. If you need any help with adding or uploading data, performing map analysis, creating map stories, or map or GIS consultancy, feel free to contact us at support@mapog.com anytime.